What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing a pair of Jordans that are 16 years old. Now let me just explain to you how I got these in the first place. So every night before bed while everyone's on Instagram or Twitter, just scrolling, I'm on either Depop or Grailed looking for steals. So on Depop I looked up, Jordan Retro, simple, plain and simple, nothing crazy. So I'm scrolling and I come across a pair that could possibly be older than some of you guys. So of course I just went ahead and grabbed them. Now shipping was pretty quick. It came in about like 3 or 4 days, which isn't really bad at all. But let me just say, just look at this box right here. Look at this box. Like, I don't know if the UPS man had beef with my box. I'm just hoping that the shoes aren't damaged. I mean, you can kind of see in the box right here, little tear right there, but hopefully the sneaker box is okay, and most importantly the shoes. So let's actually just go ahead and crack these open. All right, got my knife to open these up, even though I probably could just rip this open because the tape job is pretty bad, but let's actually just go ahead, crack it. I don't think I've had a pair of Jordans this old in my entire life. I've always wanted a pair, but could never find one for the right price. I've only seen this box in pictures, never in person. I'll give you a sneak peek right there, gray box. Pretty sure some of you haven't seen this box either, but let's just get this out. Toss that to the side. So the box is in okay condition. Being from 2003, I don't expect it to be in the best condition. So here we go. So here you see that gray Michael Jordan, that OG box. Actually not OG, but pretty old box. Here is the size tag. Give you guys a quick little sneak peek. On the side, what does it say? A portion of the proceeds from purchase of Jordan products support educational initiatives. There you go, that's on the side of the box, and then has it in Spanish underneath. Jordan logo right there on the lid. Okay, so let's actually just go ahead and crack these open. I'm super pumped about this right here. Here they are, guys. This is a pair of, it looks like dead stock white cement 3s. So let's actually go ahead and get some close-up shots of these sneakers. Other than the Jumpman logo on the heel, the Air Jordan 3 is identical to its father's form. Now, these released April 19th, 2003. The last time it released before this was in 1988, and retail for this pair was $100. Now, that was actually insane to me that these actually retailed for $100. And now, if you want a pair of Jordans for retail, you're gonna pay close to $200. Quality went down while the price went up. Now, this is one of the most popular Air Jordans of all time. Now, the Air Jordan 3 originally released in 1988. It was the first Jordan designed by the legend Tinker Hatfield. They said goodbye to the Wings logo and introduced the Jumpman logo we are all familiar with today. Now, I'm gonna be honest here, these are in very, very good condition. You can tell that they actually redid the midsole because you can see some paint along the leather, but honestly, it's not too big of a deal. I don't really blame them. The leather quality on this is also very nice, very plush, tumbled leather. I mean, just look at the outsole of this sneaker. It looks like they haven't even been worn. But I don't think I told you guys how much I got these for, but I got them for $130, which is $30 over its original retail price. Now let me go ahead and grab my fire red 3s and compare the leather quality, the elephant print, and all that. Now here we have a pair of 2013 fire red 3s next to a pair of 2003 white cement 3s. Now, one major difference is the leather quality. Here, it's a lot more plasticky, if that's even a word. A lot more rough. I mean, it's not hard by any means, but compared to this one right here, this is really plush, really soft. Now, for the elephant print, this actually feels like suede. It has like a nice texture to it. While this one right here, it's kind of rough, kind of hard. Maybe that's how it's supposed to be, I'm not sure. Now, besides the quality, everything else is pretty similar. The elephant print goes up the same height. Now, just take a look at the sock liner. Look how plush this is right here. Look at all that ankle support. Compared to this one right here, it's basically non-existent. I mean, just look at the difference right there. Now, moving along to the heel tab, I mean, there isn't much of a difference. You still have the same Jumpman. Now, I don't know if I'm tripping, but does this Jumpman look a little bigger than this one? I don't know, you let me know in the comments below. But overall, the same height, nothing too different about it. Okay guys, so that's all I got for you today. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and leave a like on the video. And if you can have any Jordan from any year, what would it be and why? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched up to this point, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.